This video tells you how to activate your NFC tags. Watch it if you want to use NFC tags for checking in at locations. These are NFC tags. You can attach them at your company locations with a sticker or a screw. To check in, the employee just needs to touch a tag. But first, to make them work, you need to complete these 3 simple steps. Make sure that the user rights and locations are set up in the web service, and then activate the tags with the mobile app. Let's start with the first step and set up tag activation rights for the user. Open the user profile and go to Advanced Options at the bottom of the page. Turn on tag activation. The second step. Let's check your locations list in the Reslink web service. Each location has a name, for example, British Museum, and an ID. In this case, it is 1234. You're going to need either of them when activating the tag. Finally, step number 3. Let's open the app and activate the tags. Go to the Options menu and choose Tag Activation, then Activate Location. You can either enter ID or choose location name from the list. Let's choose Main Office. Then, here's the tag. Activate Location. Done. You can see the confirmation message on the screen. Now the location has an activated tag, so each time an employee is there and touches the tag, you will get a check-in record in the web service. Now you know how to activate NFC tags. To learn more, check out the Reslink platform documentation at docs.reslink.fi. If you have any questions, contact us at support@reslink.fi.